here with Pink and Main. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to go over our March 2022 subscription products. I'm going to start with our Stamp and Die of the month. It's called Yappy Birthday, and it is these adorable little Chihuahua dogs, and they're celebrating. We've got Let's Party, I Chihuahua, Surprise, Yappy Birthday, and Celebrate. We've got a little cupcake. We've got this guy here. He looks like he's hungry for the cupcake. We've got one with a little balloon on his tail. This one here, he's dancing. We've got some musical notes. And we've got one popping out of a gift. If you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you'll get this 4x6 stamp set. If you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month, you'll get the stamp set and the coordinating dies. If you'll notice on the small dies for these tiny little musical notes and the cupcake, I've included a little tab of metal, and that is to help you so that you can tape your dies down in the perfect spot so you always get them right over your stamp and have a little place to put your tape. I know it's hard when the dies are so small to get them over that small little stamp and get them just right and then tape them down, and they shift just a little and it messes it up. So I've given you an easy way to die cut those super small stamps. Remember, if you subscribe to our stamp or the Stamp and Die of the Month, the automatic charge goes through each month on the 10th, and we ship it right after that. So if you subscribe this month, this is the set you'll get, and then your next charge won't go through until April 10th, and we'll send you the April set. You are able to skip a month if you like. And remember, as long as you're an active subscriber to any of our subscription products, you always get 15% off all your other purchases on the website. So now let's take a closer look to see what's inside our Crafty Courtyard kit this month. Here's the postcard. And remember, you can always use the postcard to create a card with. Don't throw that away. It makes a nice little flat card, good for mailing. I always do a celebration type theme in March because March is our birthday. Pink and Main turns 8 this year. I can't believe it. The time has flown. And I thank all of you for allowing me to do what I love for so long. So just like every other month, this month's kit is packed full of goodies. You get so much bang for your buck with our Crafty Courtyard kits. So when you subscribe to the kit, the charge happens every month on the 15th of the month, and we ship your kit right after that. So the theme is Black Tie Party. So this kit is full of silver, gold, black, and everything sparkly, shiny, and celebratory. Let's take a look at the cardstock first. I went a little crazy and I gave you tons of glitter this month. I figured this theme called for lots of sparkle and shine. So we have a gold glitter paper, silver, a black, and a white. It's kind of iridescent. It's gorgeous in person. You're just gonna love creating with these glitter papers. These are the same glitter papers that are our 6x6 paper packs. You just get full 8.5 by 11 sheets in the kit. They don't shed and they die cut beautifully. You also get a piece of black that has this nice little textured polka dot on it. And you get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink cardstock. You get a full 6x6 paper pack. That's 24 sheets. They're double-sided. There's 24 patterns. So you get lots of choices to design with. And since they're double-sided, you get 2 of each pattern. So let's go through these really quick. This paper pad is gorgeous. It's gold, silver, gray, black, and it's perfect for those celebration theme cards. But think about masculine cards too. It's perfect for that as well. Got this beautiful starry background with some plaids. I went with lots of plaids in here. I love my plaids, and I thought these gold and black and gray look really nice. We have diagonal stripe, some more plaids, chevron, some polka dot. These are perfect for graduation too. This nice gold and black or silver and black, just really classic look. We have a starry night with gold stars instead of white or silver. Got another chevron. Here's some more plaids. We're going through the back sides patterns now. Just look at that, really nice. Got some stars. Some more plaids. All these plaids are different, so you can create lots of different looks. Got some triangles. Look at that, that's really nice. We have an argyle. Another diagonal stripe with gray. We have some bigger polka dots. We have some confetti and another plaid. I just know you're gonna love creating with this paper pad. I can't wait to dive in myself. You get your handy zippered mesh project bag. It's gonna hold all your goodies. So let's take a look at what's inside the bag. We have a beautiful sequin mix. It's exclusive to the kit. We've got gold and silver. We've got stars in there. This is really beautiful. We've got some envelope seals. These say surprise. Getting some of our silver glossy dots. These look great on anything. They have a mirrored back and they're clear on the top. So you can actually color these with your alcohol markers to match any project that you like and give it that nice shine. I'm gonna hold the stencil against the black paper here so you can really see. It's this nice confetti stencil, so you can create some confettied backgrounds. You get a 6x6 embossing folder, and this one is a grid pattern, so just a really nice textured look for the background of your cards. Last but not least, let's take a look at the stamp and the die. So here we have it. We have some champagne popping with a glass. We have some balloons, some fireworks, some confetti, stars. We have some stacked gifts here and a little row of candles. Got surprise, happy anniversary, happy birthday, make a wish, and congratulations. So lots of different celebration themes that we can use this stamp set for. And check out this giant set of dies. So we've got coordinating dies here for the stamp set. It's gonna cut everything out that you see on the stamp set, including the sentiments. So you can even die cut your sentiments out. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink and Main March 2022 subscription products. Head on over to pinkandmain.com to check them out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.